what we did was made it super easy. We don't care which property management application, which syndication platform you're using. It really doesn't matter.
What's the number one secret to the software and what it does? Can you kind of break down step by step on this for our listeners?
So Brett, you and many of your listeners and viewers, they're probably familiar. If they own real estate assets, maybe in their backyard, maybe out of state, maybe different property management companies, maybe different syndicators. What was happening was, let's say you live in Sacramento like you, but you own properties in the Bay Area, and then let's say in Scottsdale, and then some in Dallas. The property manager in Dallas is on Buildium, the guy in Scottsdale is on Appfolio, your guy in the Bay Area is on Propertyware, and then let's say you're invested in a syndication and they're tracking it in, let's say, Juniper Square, all right? So now you have all these different logins. You're getting these owners, the property managers only provide partial information. They don't know your mortgage information. They often don't know your tax or insurance information, but they're just sending you what are called owner statements, or you have to log into their portal, which is not designed for real estate investors. It's designed for property managers. So what happens is you end up logging into all these different systems, these different URLs and softwares, and let's say on a monthly basis, it becomes tedious. And eventually you go, you know what, forget it. I'll just try to plug it into my Excel and see if I can track it that way. Well, what we did was made it super easy. We don't care which property management application, which syndication platform you're using. It really doesn't matter. We will integrate with all of them. Some very automatically through what are called APIs, others through some automated machine learning tools that we've built. We've built some connectors. So regardless of what property management application you may be in, plus we securely integrate with your bank account. So we can read maybe the mortgage information, we could read the tax and insurance information, some of the transactions that are not taking place on the property management application side or the syndication management side, but they're on the bank accounts. We integrate all that data very effortlessly, and we give it to the user in a very nice graphical.
Got it. So if I'm thinking here, it's kind of like perhaps a mint.com that brings in your credit card over here, brings your other credit card over there.